The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockwall County in north-central Texas, Southwestern Hunt County in north-central Texas, Kaufman County in north-central Texas, Northwestern Van Zandt County in north-central Texas, Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sunnyvale, or over Mesquite, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Rowlett, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Rockwall, Lancaster, Greenville, Bulk Springs, University Park, Satch C, Terrell, Seagoville, Forney, Highland Park, and Kaufman. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.